heavy rainfall in Cartagena and Granada in the south of Spain has caused severe flooding, sending vehicles and objects plowing through streets, as water poured into nearby properties at a significant rate. The weather event forced emergency services in the Murcia region to respond after 160 weather-related incidents occurred earlier this week, flooding roadways after rivers broke their banks. Multiple municipalities within the Spanish territory have been affected by the storm, with Cartagena and Granada the worst hit after 50 liters per square meter poured down in just half an hour and strong winds damaged trees and lampposts. Although the losses in the south were particularly severe, other parts of the country, including the northwest, were also hit by a violent storm on Monday night. Basements and garages were flooded and people was trapped in vehicles.